What is up, guys? It's April 4th, and it's been a couple of weeks since I got out on the Talaria. I actually hurt my foot, and I wasn't really up for riding. But Anna's been out on her bike every single day getting out of school for the last couple of weeks, so she's actually surpassed me in miles. Her bike now has more miles than mine, and it's way newer. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. I'm out of work, and it's Friday. Finally gonna get out and get a little riding done. My battery is at 63%. I haven't plugged it in. Left it a little down so it wasn't sitting at 100%. And let's get out and get a little ride going, see how it is out there. Ooh, this looks like a good place. This looks like a good place for some hill climbs. This is super steep. Yeah, let's see if we got something on the other side of this. It's probably like a cliff. But yeah, a little fire pit up here. And some trash. What do we got here? Oh yeah, look at this hill. Oh, yeah, buddy. I'm gonna rip up this. This doesn't look steep, but that's like a 2-foot lip right there. Oh, it's like wuss out at the top and let off the throttle, because it's just like a little too vert to just keep it wide open there. It was still fun. Good day to get out and ride. My bike is still muddy from when me and Anna went through the trails at the dump. It was just a mud fest that day. It's better off to just let it dry and then flake it off instead of washing your bike. You don't need to get them wet unless you have to. What's up, guys? E-Bike Scott here. It is now 4/19. It's a couple weeks after the first video, and it is the day before Easter. It's super nice out. It's like 82 degrees and sunny. I'm just getting back from a disc golf tournament, and me and A are gonna go for a ride. It's beautiful out. We gotta get out and ride, man. So we're gonna head out to Charlton. We're gonna stop at this cool ice cream joint on top of a mountain, enjoy the scenery, and grab some smash burgers and ice cream, and then head out and ride. We're gonna get lost. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I think we gotta go. I think we gotta go this way. I don't know. We were at Potter Village and Partridge Hill. That's where we are.
I have no service.
Well, it can't be too bad of an area. There's an American flag hanging over there. It's beautiful. How hot is it today?
Like 81.
81.
I want to be out there on the jet skis.
I know. Look, there's literally people out jet skiing right now.
It looks so fun. I've been on the jet skis.
It's fun. It's more fun in the ocean though. But it is fun anywhere. Man, we went everywhere today.
25 blinking.
I'm at 15 blinking. Why is yours at 25? What the heck?
I'm speeding.
I think my battery's dying.
I mean, you're also heavier.
Yeah, but we're usually like neck and neck.
Maybe 1 or 2 hours.
Yeah, we're always like 1 or 2% off. I'm at 15% and blinking.
All the way to Southbridge?
Yeah, we like went to Charlton and then we got lost in Charlton and then ended up in Southbridge. And then I literally had the GPS, the directions home because I didn't know where I was. Those were some beautiful lakes though, right? We went by so many lakes. This is New England, so there's lakes everywhere, but we literally went by like 25 lakes today. Insane. I have my new GoPro. I haven't even plugged it in yet. I haven't even opened it. It's brand new in the box. So I did get a GoPro, and we're gonna strap it to your helmet right there.
I have it.
Hey, you got the mount already. This is my old helmet. I can't believe my bike's dying faster than yours. What the hell?
Hey, mine's older than yours, right?
Oh yeah, didn't you do something? What did you hit, 700 miles?
Yep, 730.
I don't believe you. I don't even believe her. She's lying. 733 miles.
Well,
And now she already needs like new tires and brakes
I severely need new tires and brakes.
because she goes like 100 miles an hour everywhere.
I need new brakes too, so badly.
Yeah, I know. I bought them, remember? We just need to get you off your lazy butt to put them on.
Gladly do it. I
Well-
have all week off. Do you think if we trade them, they'll be fine with it?
Just for a few minutes. Be like, yo, take my bike. I'm gonna ride around the lake real quick on your jet ski.
I'm only at 25, it'll be fine. I'm too young to ride a jet ski.
Sweet. What a day out today. Yeah, it's because you ride so slow. That's why I'm way faster than
Well, I
you.
ride way faster than you.
Yeah, right.
You were literally like
I was doing like 100.
speed.
Yeah, you just have so much battery left.
Yeah, I do.
Well, we had to have gone, what, like 40 miles probably? We went
I
far.
have 20 right now.
We went and got smash burgers and ice cream. Was it good?
Yes, I ate all that.
Oh! That thing just shot water up like 40 feet in the air. That was cool. Oh, nice one.
Alright, I got a stick in my leg.
I got a snake in my boot.
No, I got a stick in my leg. This guy.
I got a stick in my leg. Okay, say bye. Bye, Talaria. Talaria, wave bye.
Bye.
Bye.